everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be working on a double crochet beanie for 6 to 12 months. This one is the 0 to 3 months, but we're going to be working on a little hat. Alright, so what you're going to need for this pattern is a 5.5 millimeter crochet hook. And I'm just using Super Saver Red Heart yarn. And this is Flamingo, and a pair of scissors. That's all you need for this. All right, so to start this pattern, you're going to do a slip knot, and then you're going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then in this first chain, you're going to just slip stitch to join, just like that. All right. Now what you want to do, so you have that hole in the center, you want to chain 2, 1 and 2, and then you want to place 10 double crochets into that circle. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alright, so now just count back 10 so you're putting your hook in the proper spot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. You want to go into that 10th space. Right there. And grab your yarn, pull through, and pull through to slip stitch. Then to close up that little hole right there, just pull on that tail. Just like that, and then that closes it up. So now for round 2, you're going to chain 2, and then you're going to place a double crochet into that same space as that chain up 2, so right in there, and that will count as 2 double crochets. Now in every other stitch around, you want to place 2 double crochets in every single stitch. Almost at the end. Excuse me. Okay, these are the last 2 stitches. And then you just want to go right to the top of your chain up, so right here, and slip stitch to join. Alright, now for round 3. You're going to chain up 2, place a double crochet into that same space as your chain up, and that's 2 double crochets. Then in your next stitch, you want to place 1 double crochet, and in your next one, you want to place 2 double crochets. In your next stitch, you want to put 1 double crochet, and in your next stitch, you want to put 2 double crochets. And you're just going to follow that exact same pattern the entire way around. So 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, 1 double crochet. Continue that the entire way around, and I will meet you back here and we will move on to round 4 together. Okay, so I'm just coming to the end of round 3 and I'm putting my last double crochet. One thing that you need to know is that in your increase rounds, you want to make sure that you're ending on an increase. Meaning, make sure that this last stitch in each round has 2 double crochets in it. If it doesn't, you've gone wrong somewhere. So if it helps to count, make sure you do that. And that is just for the increase rounds. That's it. Okay, so now we're just going to slip stitch to join, and we're going to move on to round 4. Round 4, you're going to chain 2 and put a double crochet into that same space as your chain up. And then in your next 2 stitches, you're just going to place 1 double crochet in each one of those. So 1 and 1. Then in your next stitch, you want to put 2 double crochets. Okay, in your next 2 stitches, you're going to put 1 double crochet in each, 1 and 1. And then in your next one, you're going to put 2 double crochets. So you're just going to keep following that pattern the entire way around. 2 double crochets and then 1, 1, and then 2, 1, 1, and 2. Follow that all the way around, and I will come back and show you what to do in round 5. I'm just coming to the end of round 4. Get some yarn out here. All right, now I'm going to go to the very top of right here, and I'm going to slip stitch to join, just like that. Now for round 5, this is our final increase round for this size hat. So you're going to chain 2 and place a double crochet into that same stitch. Okay, and then in your next 3 stitches, you only want to put 1 double crochet in each stitch. So there's 1, 1, and 1. Then in your next one, you're going to put 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. And then in your next 3 stitches, you're going to place 1 double crochet in each one of those. So 1, 1, and 1. And then in your next one, you're going to put 2 double crochets. 1 and 2. Okay, so you're going to follow that pattern the entire way around this round. So 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 1, 1. It's easy to remember. And we will come back, or I will come back, and I will show you how to start making the length of this hat. Okay, so I finished up round 5, and I'm just going to slip stitch to join, just like that. Okay, so now we're done our increases. Now we just need to get the length of the hat. So from round 6 to 11, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, the next 6 rounds, we're just going to be putting 1 double crochet in every stitch around. The only thing to remember when you're making these hats and for these next 6 rounds is that when you chain up 2, to make sure that you put another double crochet right into this space, okay? The same space as the chain up. Because if you don't, these won't line up properly and you'll have like a gap in between. So just make sure you remember that for each of these next 6 rounds. And then after that, just 1 double crochet in every single stitch. So when I'm finished round 11, I will come back and we will do the final round, round 12, and then finish this hat off. All right, so I'm almost done round 11. Just putting my last stitch in. Alright, so now we have our 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now for this last round, it's just to make the hat look nicer. Just chain up one, put one single crochet into that same space, and then one single crochet into every stitch around. Just like that. When that's done, I'll come back and we will finish this hat off. This is the last round. Okay, so just about done. All right, go right to the top of that first stitch and slip stitch to join. Now grab your yarn one more time and pull through. Just pull up a little bit and just cut that. Okay, and we're going to turn the hat inside out for a second, and we're just going to tie these off. I don't sew in my ends, never had a problem, so to me it's just a waste of time. So I just split them in half like you've seen. They're 4-ply yarn, so 2 and 2, and then I just go in somewhere and pull one of the sides through, and then just tie it a few times. And there you go, and just cut it. You can leave that one a little longer because it's on the inside of the hat, and flip it back over. And then here is the other one. Split it in two, put your crochet hook in, and grab one of them and pull through just like that, and same thing. You just want to tie it like 3 or 4 times. Don't pull too tight. You don't want to break the yarn before you've had a chance to tighten it. Just like that. And this one, because it's on the outside of the hat, like it's visible, just cut it a little closer to the knot, not too close though. Okay? And there you have it. There is your hat for 6 to 12 months. Hope this video has helped. I'm moving on to the next one that I'm going to be doing is 12 to 24 months, and then 3 to 5 years, and so on. So hope this video has helped. Thanks for watching.